Happy holidays! I'm Rose Oatley, and today we're going to be doing something a little different. Now, this year has been quite a challenge for me, just trying to get motivated enough to decorate for the holidays, but I finally did it. I've got 3 Christmas trees up, and I wanted to share them with you, and I thought I would show you a few of my other decorations that I did end up putting up. Hopefully, you'll enjoy it, or at least get the motivation to get started on yours if you haven't already. In this entry table, I just have this glass Christmas tree from Hobby Lobby, a snowman, and my red truck on the bottom, which I've been trying to do a DIY on, making it a little arrangement, but for now I've got a Christmas tree with some lights on it. For my dining room, I really kept it very simple but elegant, using whites and silver. For my centerpiece, all I did was add 2 small Christmas trees and a few gifts around. The rest of my centerpiece is pretty much what I keep year round. Now for the place settings, I also went very simple. I just added some silver napkins with my snowflake rings. All right, let me take you around to my first tree. This is my front living room, and I usually have a lot of blue and silver in my living room, which is why I really wanted to decorate my tree blue and silver this year with a little bit of clear, but I didn't get around to it, so I went ahead and just did it red again. By the way, I do have a Christmas tree tutorial on my channel, so be sure and check it out. I love using a lot of picks. I think that they do so much for your tree. I don't even use a tree topper anymore. I use a lot of the picks to decorate the very top. I also wanted to show you a close-up because the video really doesn't do it justice. It's so much different when you see it in person right in front of you than when you see it on video. I just think it looks much prettier up close. This is probably my least favorite room for the holidays. My colors aren't right. I know this, so please be nice in the comment section. It's been a rough year. Hopefully next year I can really tackle it, get the right colors that I want, and everything will turn out nice. But for now, I just ended up throwing in a few ornaments in this bowl and just threw a couple of pillows on the sofas. Let's move on. Our village, which is one of my husband's favorites. He loves working on his villages. As a matter of fact, he's usually the one that works on them every year, with the exception of last year. Last year, I did it myself, but as you can see, we do have another level. There's some wooden boxes. You'll see that in last year's video that I put up, that you'll also find in my channel. I kind of show you underneath in case you do want to go back and look. But we've got a whole bunch of little houses here. We wanted to fit some more items on the bottom. That's why we also did the other level. So you can see we also have a hill made with some styrofoam underneath. My second tree I have in our family room. This is my skinny flock tree with a little elf climbing up the ladder. And of course I have to show you a close-up because a faraway pic just doesn't do it justice. I've got a lot of pretty ornaments on here. Now I'm also using plaid ribbon on this tree. Plaid is something that I was never really much of a fan of, but I saw a lot of it at the store this year. So I thought, hey, let me just give it a try and see what happens. And I actually ended up liking it, so I'm a fan now. For my fireplace, most of the decor is from either Hobby Lobby or the home store. And here I've got some garland. I had plain garland about a couple of years ago. I just took some ornaments, pine cones, and just hot glued them on there. And voila, you have yourself some garland. Down here, just a lantern, a Santa. In my back wall, I've got a couple of snowmen pillows. In the center, nothing big, just a little Christmas tree and a candle holder. Heading towards my breakfast room and kitchen. On this side, I've got a hot chocolate bar that I normally like to keep. I've got my Keurig and then a 2-level tray with toppings and a few decorations. Wait, have y'all tried the hot chocolate bombs? I just ordered the molds and received them. I'm going to be making some videos on them, so be sure and subscribe. Now over here in my kitchen, I ended up doing this last minute. I put ribbon around my cabinets, almost making them look like gifts. To be honest with you, I'm not sure yet how I feel about them, but I'm going with it for now. Now over here, I've got my third Christmas tree. This is what I call my keepsake tree. And I keep all of my kids' ornaments that they made us when they were really young. I love to kind of go back and just look at them. We also keep other ornaments that were given to us or other sentimental ornaments. Now I do combine them with other different type of ornaments just to kind of give it more of a finished look, but this is the purpose of this tree. Those are my nephew's 2 kids up there. I love when they send us pictures. I just kind of add them to my tree whenever possible. All right, friends, I hope I was able to motivate you a little. Now, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Merry Christmas. If you haven't already subscribed, please be sure to do so below or hit my little picture on the side. Also, don't forget to hit the little bell to get notified of all of my new videos. And please be sure to check out these links on the side. Share with your friends. Thanks for watching and your support.